Hey guys, I just announced my live abstracted flower painting workshop. This is a fun paint along workshop where you get to paint what inspires you and I get to be there to assist you and help you through the whole process. This workshop is perfect for artists interested in trying something new and for artists who are really inspired by floral arrangements. I will be sharing my process on how I paint these types of paintings in this style. Abstracted flowers and plants with vibrant colors and balanced compositions in acrylic paints. I love this technique so much and I can't wait to share my secrets with you. What are some things that make this technique so fun? First, you paint in reverse. So you paint the subject matter first and work around the subject matter, leaving sparkles of the underpainting showing through edges and shapes. Second, you work up layers of colors that work well together to create a finished, solid composition. And of course, you get to find ways to make it your own. Take what I am giving you and applying it to your own work and hopefully getting super inspired. Go check out the details, the date, the time, all at fragilegloryimpressions.com. I hope you will consider joining me for this workshop. I'm super excited and I can't wait to paint with you. Bye.